Hi guys, this is an easy tutorial on how to make your own rings with polymer clay. Make great gifts, easy DIY, and they're very versatile when it comes to your creativity. So let's get started. All you need is polymer clay of your choice and some crystals, some shells, glass, or anything small that is oven safe. Just remember that. So to begin with this tutorial, I'm using the last of the black Sculpey souffle that I have. It's really old and crumbly, so I added a bit of liquid Sculpey to manage the dryness. Roll the clay out thin but not too thin and flatten it up. Now there's a couple ways of making the rings. One way is to wrap it around your finger, then cut off the excess clay. Another way is to use some wires, wrap it around your finger, cut out the length, and then that is going to be like your finger ruler of how long the length should be. So from my little collection here, I have a few options to choose from. So first I'm going to go ahead and start off with this flat, tiny tiger's eye tumble stone. I'm adding some clay in the back to secure it on the ring and also secure the little stone from falling out. And for some extra touches, I'm going to add some simple designs to the sides. I'll be repeating the same steps from the first ring. So for the next ring, I'm using a cowrie shell, or a coffee bean shell you can call it, that I actually found at the beach. Next, I'm using a small piece of blue kyanite. For the last ring, I'm rolling the clay thinner and longer, then wrapping it around to get a double ring look. And I'll be using amethyst for this ring. should be baking according to the instructions of your clay, but for my pieces, I'll be baking them at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After they come out the oven, just wait for them to cool down, and they are done. It's that easy. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for subscribing if you have. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!